So the next place that you can bring traffic to your web page are different platforms, different social medias. For example, you may have 100, 200, 1000 followers on Instagram, 100 to 200 or even more friends on Facebook. You can use all of these resources to affect on your SEO on your web page. For example, let's say you have 200 friends on Facebook. Go to your Facebook, paste the link of your web page there and tag all of your friends under it, okay? Ask them, invite them, hey guys, I have created a great web page on my website, just please take a look at it. I would really love to hear your feedback about it. Just be honest with them, invite them to your web page. You will be surprised that, for example, let's say from 200 people, half of them or maybe 50 of them will visit your web page. They will talk about it with you, and also it will help you to build your web page from traffic perspective and bring it higher in the search result. Also, if you have a good and successful Instagram page with 100, 200 followers, use that. You can, for example, record a video from yourself to put it as a story. Hey guys, I have created a great web page about let me do it this way. Hey guys, I have created a great web page about, for example, this topic. Just click on the bio link to visit it. I would really love your opinion about it, right? As simple as that. You will be surprised how many people will follow up on these, will come and visit. Even sometimes you may say, all right, I have a lot of friends, but they're not close friends. Even sometimes people who hate you, they will come and visit your web page, okay? They want to know more what you are doing. So even though that they don't want to help you and they hate you, but they will be a good traffic for you, right? This way you can use social medias. If you have a successful Twitter, just go there, make a tweet. Hey guys, I have created this web page. Please come and visit it and let me know what you think about it, all right? You have to use all the resources that you have to inject traffic onto your website. This is really important. Don't be shy in this matter, okay? Don't be shy. Some people, no, I don't want to inform my friends. I don't want to inform my, for example, family and relatives. I don't want them to know. If you are shy, especially in marketing, you're not gonna get anywhere, right? So do that. Use all the resources that you have on social media, different platforms. Also, for example, LinkedIn, right? You can go on LinkedIn. You have 1,000, 2,000, 200, I don't know, any number of connections. Just 1 time, 2 times, 3, 10 times share your web page there and invite people to visit it, okay? So that was all about social medias. Let's go for the next part.